On September the 28th, 2022, Hurricane Ian made landfall near Sanibel Island as a Category 4 storm, causing massive destruction and isolating the island from the mainland. With the world watching, the storm ripped through Sanibel Island and Fort Myers.
Coming onto the island, it was just devastating. It was really hard to see. Places that had resorts were just flat. We came to our resort and we met with the First Onsite staff there.
The damage was extensive, and the cleanup effort was going to be a massive undertaking.
For Hurricane House, we had been working with the property managers for a few years now, and they had called us before the storm, letting them know if my property here is affected, we would like you to service it. So after the storm happened, we got in there right away. We got crews in there right away, and we started performing demolition